Alright fellas, today we're going to look at Also Dapper Soap's beard oil and beard leave-in conditioner. What's good, y'all? Steve from the Dapper Aristocrat, where every week we give you tips on how to look good, stand out, and get those compliments. Did you guys know that Also Dapper Soap offers beard care? Beard care? We want to be able to provide all the grooming needs that men need. So now we also offer beard care products. Hey bruh, what I'm gonna do with that? You have to make sure that you take care of your beard. You don't want your beard to feel like you rubbing in pine needles and stuff like that. That's how my facial hair used to feel. It used to be very dry. I've been able to use this beard leave-in conditioner and this beard oil, and it's changed the life of my beard, made it a lot healthier and softer, and it smells good. First product we offer is beard oil. Hey bro, why would I need that? For you gentlemen that have beards, it's very important that you keep your beard hydrated, healthy, smelling good, and looking nice. Beard oil helps to keep the skin underneath your beard hydrated as well as your hair. Now, one thing that's important about taking care of your beard is that you gotta make sure that it doesn't dry out. Your beard hair is just like your hair on the top of your head. You gotta keep it clean. So a lot of times when you're shampooing your beard, if you do that, I hope you do. I mean, if you guys are familiar with soap and shampoos, usually when you wash your hair or your beard, it cleans your beard, it gets rid of all of the ingredients, and what happens in those situations is that ends up drying it out. What you want to do with your beard is you want to put that moisture back into your beard. So that's what beard oil is for. Now this beard oil has a very nice fragrance. When I vent, a lot of women love the smell of this beard oil. Shoot, bruh, sign me up. But it's not just the smell that does it for you, it's also the way that it takes care of your beard. It provides that hydration to your skin and also to your beard, and it makes it smell good, and it keeps your beard nice and healthy. We also have a beard leave-in conditioner. And if you guys are like me, if you have coarse hair, one of the things that's very challenging with coarse hair is that the hair always tends to get tangled together. And when you comb your beard to make sure that it looks nice and neat, you tend to pull at those tangles, which not only hurts, but it also causes hair breakage. So you tend to get a lot of the hair from your beard ends up being on your shirt. Yuck! The reason why that happens is because your beard happens to be very dry. So I have this leave-in conditioner. It softens your beard, it makes it smell good, it hydrates your beard, and it makes it easy to comb through those tangles that are in your beard. Now it doesn't just keep your beard soft just for that moment, it keeps it soft throughout the day. It's a great product to have, especially for you guys that have coarse hair. It'll change your whole life when you use this beard conditioner. I've been using it even though I don't have a big, huge beard, and I've been using this a lot, and it has been doing a very good job of keeping my beard soft and moisturized. Now what I typically do is I use both products. After I take my shower, I come out the shower, I apply a small amount of this beard leave-in conditioner. I rub it into my beard, not only into my facial hair, but I also massage it into my skin to make sure that I bring that hydration back into my skin. One key thing that you have to do is that you have to make sure that your beard is damp. Then you apply the beard leave-in conditioner cream. You apply it to your beard and also massage it into your skin as well under the beard. You'll notice that it makes your skin feel great, and it'll also make your beard feel soft. And as you comb through it, it's very easy to comb through. It comes through smoothly, and you don't get that breakage that you get when you have a dry beard. Then I use the beard oil. What I do is I apply 6 to 7 drops to my palm, and I massage it into my beard and into the skin, and it also locks in the hydration. What you get from the water and the leave-in conditioner, the beard oil locks that moisture into your beard, and it makes it feel great, smell good, and keeps your beard hydrated. So fellas, if you're interested in picking up these items, go to osodappersoap.com and you can pick up both items. I have it as a bundle, but you can also buy them as 2 separate products if you like. I'm also doing bundles on soap. Right now I'm doing a soap bundle that includes Shipmate Mariner, and Aqua Azul. Those 3 bars as a bundle. And I'm also doing a bundle that's at a discounted price right now. I'm looking to reformulate one of the bars. The bundle includes Jack Frost Esquire, which is being discontinued, and Oat Milk and Honey, which I am reformulating into an exfoliating bar soap. So fellas, if you guys are interested in any of these products as well as soap, check out ohsodappersoap.com. If you use the code DAPPERSOAP, it gets you 20% off your purchase. Let me know what you guys use in your beard in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button because it helps support my channel. And I want to send a special shout out to all my Dappercrats out there. Always remember to be a gentleman, stay dapper, and I'll see you guys next video.